I mean, I'm already registered to vote, but I want to know how I can, like, come out and help get people to support Obama, too.
Oh, great. Okay. Did you fill in one of these pledge cards?
Yeah.
Okay, and you put your name on it? Okay, cool. I'm a field organizer in the area, so what I can do is, like, we'll give you a call from the number you put down. What's your name?
Al. Or I put AJ on the card.
Cool. Okay. So we'll give you a call there, and then I'll just give you my info.
The other guy was saying it's all volunteer. Is there, like, any work involved? Like, we get paid for anything at all?
I mean, mostly volunteer. Like, there's a few paid positions, like field organizers. You gotta apply, though. They're actually pushing everything right now.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. I need some work, man.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you could look at mybarackobama.com, like, positions in the campaign or something like that, or, like, work for the campaign.
You know what? Let me pull up a little bit because we're in the sun. I'm going to pull by the shade right here so we won't be standing in there.
Take two, folks.
You
got LeBron on you lame.
There's some other folks.
So there's my number. Like, if you have any questions or anything, you could stop by the office there. We're right across the street from the train station in Burlington.
Yeah. Oh, I've seen the building too.
Yeah, so we're right over there. Like, stop by. I mean, like, the best way, like, normally they hire the volunteers. So, like, if you're spending a lot of time there and you know how to, register voters and do the database, they'll probably hire you. They're going to be hiring more people as this ever goes on because it's a battleground state. So, yeah, definitely get involved. Look it up online. Send in your resume.
Would I have to know, like any of the positions and stuff like that? Because I know you guys get questions a lot out here. So, I mean, what would I have to know? Like, would I need to be prepared for anything? Or I could just go ahead?
What do you mean, to volunteer or to?
Yeah. Well, either or.
Oh, yeah. So we give training for everything. Like, before, like, volunteers go out, we'll give a training on how to, fill out the form and, like, common best practices and stuff like that. And we'll all go out. And then same thing, with positions, like, you get some training.
That's cool. Is there anything that, like, what kind of position should I look at?
I mean, the entry-level position is field organizer. That's like managing teams and volunteers.
No, I mean like the president's position. Because like where I live, they're gonna be asking a bunch of questions like, why do you support this? Why do you support that?
Yeah.
Like the healthcare bill, I know nothing about the healthcare bill.
Yeah.
I know absolutely nothing. Do they give you guys any kind of training on that stuff? Because I mean, I got a lot of questions about it. I want to know, and a lot of people that I know have questions about it.
Yes, for sure, definitely. I mean, they gave us some training as well. Yeah, like we get sort of, and we get like updates on different things, So they'll prepare you. Like, if you get involved, you'll get all the resources you need.
That's cool, because I definitely want to know more about it, too. And, they got the same Second Amendment out here. People acting crazy on this stuff.
Yeah.
Civil rights. Don't want other folks to have civil rights and stuff like that. It's crazy.
I know.
So I know the president spoke out for that, too. I mean, that's cool, man. I want to get as much training as I can get.
Yeah.
And do as much organizing as I can get.
Yeah.
And really get out there and help.
Definitely. And, like, they've got all sorts of programs. Like, they've got fellowship programs for, like, you sort of intern for the campaign and you learn everything for like 6 weeks, and then they'll like do a round of hiring field organizers out of it. So we just got a bunch of fellows right now, and they're just like working their butts off and like doing really well. And it's hot, and we need them right now. And so they've got that. And I mean, I'd say the best way is through volunteering, through like applying for a fellowship or like an internship program, because they hire right off of those. They don't have time to like go through random people's resumes. They're gonna hire people that are like showing up to the office.
Familiar with. That makes sense.
So yeah.
All right. Well, cool. Thanks, Monica.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right. Take care. Thanks.
Obama for America, baby. This is who they hired.